Assalamu alaikum. Not recently, it's been almost more than 200 days that I started learning French language. I found this language is very easy. Um, Apart from French language, I know, Arabic language and definitely English language. When I started learning Arabic language, I found Arabic language is very hard, okay, very difficult. Because before learning Arabic language, I had knowledge of English and Bengali language. Uh, and these two languages are no similar to Arabic language at all. Okay, the Arabic language was completely different than a Bengali and Arabic English language. That's why I found Arabic language is very hard. Um, so it learning Arabic language gave me a very hard time. However, I'm not talking about Arabic language today. Today, I would like to talk about French language. What is my observation after spending 200 or more than 200 days of learning French language? Um, Basically, when I started learning French, I found this language, French is very easy because French is quite similar to English language. Okay, the only difference is pronunciation. Okay, pronunciation of French language is a bit challenging for the speakers of English language. That is the main challenging part. Apart from this, I would say there is nothing hard for an English speaker to learn French language. Uh, in this video, I would like to uh, you know talk through French language a bit. It's going to be my first video of speaking French language in front of a camera. Let me see how can I do well. And I'm telling you that I'm just a newbie in French language. So those who are expert in French or those who can understand French, uh, consider my mistakes as uh, just consider my mistakes, all right? So that's it. Before going to talk through French language, let me tell you I do have planned to learn other languages like Spanish, German, and you know uh, yeah, these are going to be my next catches. Or and I also have planned to learn one of the CJK uh, languages. Okay, you know what's the meaning of CJK? CJK, three languages together are called CJK. C is Chinese, J is Japanese, and K is Korean. I do have planned to learn one of these three languages, CJK. Mm, and I believe that it will take more than 5 to 6 years to reach at the conversational level mm, in all these languages. But I'll be continuing this process, inshallah. uh, Everything actually depends on me how steadfast I am. Let me see. uh, I'm making this video only to compare this video with the video that I will be making after learning all the languages after 5 or 6 years. Definitely, this video is going to be in YouTube, and this video is not for anyone. This video is only for actually me to compare my progress, the beginner, the beginner level, the progress of my beginning level, and level of my expertise when I'll be expert in these three languages. Okay, so this is basically the purpose of making this video. However, let me uh, record some sentences in French language. Let me see. um, Je suis Abdullah. Je suis Abdullah, and definitely I can uh, you know I would love to read from anywhere. I do have a I do have some sentences. Okay. Je me réveille à 7 heures du matin. That means I wake up at 7 in the morning. Je me réveille à 7 heures du matin. Je prends mon petit déjeuner à 7h30. Je mange du pain et je bois du café. Je prends mon petit déjeuner. I take my breakfast at 7:30. I don't know what's called 30. I don't know the meaning of 30 in French language. 7 heures, that means 7 a.m. Je mange du matin and I eat, cake. Et je bois du café and I take coffee. À 8 heures at 8 a.m., je vais au travail. I go to work. Je vais au travail. Travail is work. Je travaille de 9 heures et 6 heures. All right. I work from 9 to 5. I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Je déjeune à midi. I take my lunch. Je mange une salade or a sandwich. I take a salad or a sandwich in my lunch. Okay. Après le travail. Après is after. Le travail means work. After work. Je rentre à la maison. I return at home. I return home à mm, 18. I still don't know what is the meaning of 18. All right. 18. 18 means here is 6 p.m. Okay. Je dîne à 19 heures avec ma famille. I take my dinner at 7. I take my dinner at 7 p.m. 19 heures means 7 p.m. avec with ma famille, with my family, with my family. Le soir. Le soir means at night. Je regarde. I watch la télévision. I watch television. Or je lis un livre. Or I read a book. Je me couche à 22 heures. I go to bed at 10 p.m. All right, this is my actually daily life, and that's what I try to say in French. Let me tell you without translating in English language directly from French. Je me réveille à 7 heures du matin. Je prends mon petit déjeuner à 7h30. Je mange du pain et je bois du café. À 8 heures, je vais au travail. Je travaille de 9 heures à 17 heures. Je déjeune à midi. Je mange une salade ou un sandwich. Après le travail, je rentre à la maison à 18 heures. Je dîne à 19 heures avec ma famille. Le soir, je regarde la télévision ou je lis un livre. Je me couche à 22 heures. All right, that's it. Uh, that's what I want to record. I'm telling you, this is only to check my progress, and I would love to be continuing learning French language, and I would make videos on French language maybe, but uh, not these days. I would love to be fluent enough to make the full video in French language. It will take time. My progress is still going on. Um, yeah, that's it. Inshallah, see you again. Assalamu alaikum. Au revoir. Au revoir is bye in French language. Wada'an in Arabic. Bye. Au revoir in French. Assalamu alaikum.